Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade nuggets. First, cut about 5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken into 1-inch pieces. It's important to pat these pieces dry with paper towels. This helps the coating stick better. Then, season your chicken generously with salt and black pepper to taste. This initial seasoning is key for a flavorful nugget. Next, let's set up your breading station. You'll need 3 shallow dishes. In the first, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. The second dish will hold 2 large eggs, whisked well. For the third dish, use 1 1/2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. They give a fantastic crunch. Now it's time to coat your chicken. Take each piece and first dip it into the seasoned flour, shaking off any excess. Then, move it to the whisked egg, letting any extra drip off. Finally, coat it thoroughly in the panko breadcrumbs. Fry these nuggets in oil heated to 350 degrees F for about 4 to 6 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once your nuggets are beautifully golden, remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack to drain any excess oil. This step helps keep them wonderfully crispy. Serve your delicious homemade chicken nuggets immediately while they are warm. They pair perfectly with your favorite dipping sauces, making for a satisfying and fun meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.